put it back. But I still got to trim this a little bit.
Looks pretty good.
Almost got her.
Almost. Counts and hand grenades and atomic bombs.
Can I try a roll, Shane?
You want to go up higher?
Yeah.
You're going to find it's going to roll fast if it's like it was when I set it up. Oh, pretty slow, lazy roll there.
Yeah, oh well. I'll land her so you can fly her?
Yep.
She seems to be trimmed.
Cool.
Let's see. I bet you can put that right on.
It flies better.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
I bet you can put that right on the carpet. It seems to be better balanced.
Yeah,
like COG seems to be right on.
Oh, look at it hold true.
Nice. You hit the runway.
Well, yeah. Touch the runway.
Finally.
And here we go. Launch number 2 with Shane, the pilot. Oh, look at that. Straight as an arrow. Yeah, you got to trim good now.
Yeah.
It's definitely got some jam.
Doesn't it? Flies great. Really good. Yeah, I don't get it. That trim didn't seem to be backwards, Shane, so...
That's about half throttle.
Yeah.
Another successful man.
You probably find at full speed it'll roll really quick.
Right there.
Man, it hauls.
It's easier to stand at the end of the runway.
And it flies slow good by the looks too. Oh, looking good.
Oh yeah, nice landing.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
What's in my head? Here we go.
Nice.
Wind's a little tricky on this today. Got a pretty good climb.
Yep. Nice. She's looking like a warbird.
Hardest thing with this thing is seeing.
Yep.
That for a semi-slow pass. Not too sure how slow I can go.
Wind wagged her there a little bit.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. Caught that tail.
Bring it in closer.
Caught that tail and wiggled you.
Try for a slow pass. Well, I think my bug spray's wearing away.
I don't know how this is going to turn out. I tried to get a couple close-ups for you. Zooms. Whoa. was almost too fast for me. Holy.
At a little higher altitude.
Wow, I lost that. What happened? What did you do?
I did split S.
Split S too low?
And too low. I didn't have enough elevator wrench. It
I
was
lo-
scary.
I lost it. I think.
That's hands-free right there. With that wind flying pretty straight.
And you could only do that for 2 seconds before it was out of sight.
Yeah.
Okay. Big enough, I think.
Okay. Okay, landing theory.
Okay.
I almost couldn't see it there at one point. Oh!
Oh!
I was trying to go for the carpet.
Oh, I zoomed in too far too.
I guess.
F16 down, F16.
Not as bad as I thought.
We had some bad spells, but it was alright.
You know, I don't think Netflix is going to work out here. You don't think, yeah?
Wow, look at that. That is slow.
Nice. Oh my God. And stayed on to the end.
Beauty!
Hey.
Nice!
Oh, look, the mosquitoes are getting bigger. Damn it. Keep that one away from me.
I want to really bite ya!
It's got 4 stingers hanging out of the bottom of it. Is that like an enlarged...
What about the things on the top of it that bite?
Is that like an enlarged black fly? No, no, because it isn't like wings with a set of teeth sticking out of it. Well, look at that again. Should have made it a touch and go.
I'm not doing that. Ross, go back right now.